we are going to show you our universe, starting at the center, the sun.
This is the sun. It is 1,391,684.2 kilometers wide. It is the center of the galaxy. The sun was created about 4.567 billion years ago. It was made up of hot plasma woven with magnetic fields. 3/4 of it is made of hydrogen. The other quarter is mostly helium. The sun appears yellow or red because it generates energy through nuclear fusion.
Mercury is 4,879 kilometers wide and is 57,190,000 kilometers away from the sun. Mercury is gray and rocky and orbits the sun every 88 Earth days. It is also the closest planet to the sun and is the smallest planet if you don't include Pluto. This is Venus. Venus is 12,184 Earth. Earth is 12,742 kilometers wide and is 149,600,000 kilometers away from the sun. It is the only planet we know that is habitable. Compared to us humans, Earth is huge, but is actually the fifth smallest planet in the Milky Way galaxy. This is Mars. Mars is 6,794 kilometers wide and is 227.9 million kilometers away from the sun. Mars is brown with black and white spots. It is approximately half the diameter of Earth. Mars rotates the sun every 687 Earth days.
This is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our galaxy with a diameter of 139,822 kilometers. It is 778,500,000 kilometers from the sun, which puts it as the fifth closest planet to the sun. Although Jupiter is the largest planet, its mass is a 1,000th of the sun's mass, but it has a mass 2.5 times the mass of all the other planets combined. Jupiter is classified as one of the four gas giants. Like all the other gas giants, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface. It is made of mostly gases, except for the solid core its gas atmosphere revolves around. This is Saturn. Saturn is 116,464 kilometers wide and is 886 million kilometers away from the Sun. Saturn is the second biggest planet in our galaxy. It has a creamy color and has rings that make it stand out. Saturn has 62 moons that circle around the planet. Saturn rotates the Sun every 10,759.22 Earth days. It has a radius 9 times the ones of Earth. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is the second largest moon in the galaxy and is larger than the planet Mercury.
Uranus. Uranus is 50,724 kilometers wide and 2,877,000,000 kilometers away from the Sun. Uranus is light blue and is an icy giant. It is also the third largest planet in the galaxy. It rotates the Sun every 30,687.15 days. Uranus is the only planet derived of Greek mythology rather than Roman mythology. This is Neptune. It is 49,244 kilometers wide and 4,503,443,661 kilometers away from the sun. Neptune is also blue, but more purple. Pluto is the largest object in Kuiper Belt, the 10th most massive known body directly orbiting the Sun, and the second most massive known dwarf planet, after Eris. It is also 2,638 kilometers wide and 5.9 billion kilometers away from the Sun.
This is how we determine the scale of our solar system. First, we took the diameter of the sun in real life and divided it by 20 because that is how much the diameter of the model is. Then we divided that number by the diameter of the planets, and that's how much the model diameter is for the planets. Then we took the same number, which is 69,854.2, and divided it by the real distance planets are from the sun, and we got our model numbers.